Hi everyone, my name is Rivek Tamang and welcome to Hacker Academy. I'm a security researcher, ethical hacker, and a bug bounty hunter from Sikkim, India. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to work with various organizations, international government bodies around the world by responsibly reporting security vulnerabilities, earning Hall of Fame recognition, CV credits, bug bounty rewards, swags, goodies, and etc. I currently hold 300 plus valid security acknowledgements. So, what is Hacker Academy? Hacker Academy is a cybersecurity community built with one simple goal to help people learn, share, and grow together. Whether you're a complete beginner, a student, an aspiring ethical hacker, or an experienced security researcher, this channel is for you. On this channel, we'll be sharing content related to ethical hacking, cybersecurity, bug bounty hunting, security research, VAPT, tools, tips and tricks, and much more. Our aim is to make cybersecurity easier to understand through practical demonstrations, real world examples, and hands on learning. If you're passionate about cybersecurity or want to start your journey in ethical hacking, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm excited to have you as part of the Hacker Academy community. Until next time, learn, share, help, hack, and repeat. See you in the next video. Thank you.